Okay, recording now. So, this is part 2 of trying to making an app with Cursor. So let's get to it. Just get this shmoney. All right. Actually, let me do this. Boom. All right. So I don't know why, but last time, I thought I had left this project in a state where it compiled. I guess I didn't. So right now I'm just trying to get the build to compile so we can continue building out features in the app. And I'm not sure exactly why it's not building. But yeah, this whole project, here, let me go full screen. This whole project I'm building without any app development experience, without any iPhone app development experience, without just any Swift experience. This is just mainly through that AI, through this. Oh, I guess it doesn't switch. Through this. Whoops. Through this. So we're gonna see. But the plan. Get this. Oh, it failed. Fuck. Maybe because I have my VPN on. Get this project to work. Get it to build. Implement all the features I want on it. Put it on the App Store. Make money. Easy. Building scheme. Can you run the build.sh file? Tell me why my Xcode project isn't compiling. Let's start there. Let's diagnose what the issue is. Because if I just tell it, hey, I have errors, fix them. Okay, that's cool, but like, it's not gonna like fix them all that well. Let's see. Let me try building a script without. Yes, do that. Whoa. What Maybe can I jump to a previous out of. We can download. Give me a list. Da 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 da. And then it fails. Let me switch to OpenVPN. See if that helps. Probably not, because I'm still tunneling my traffic through a VPN. So that's the only thing about this. Look, this AI agentic cursor code editor is cool. It's great. It's fucking awesome. But I just hate how it's not stable with VPN. Like, why? The whole point of me using a VPN is to like not fucking whatever. Let me try relaunching this. Let's do. Come on. Come on. Put on the script. Just run the build.sh file itself. Don't pipe the output to anything. Okay. Is he gonna hit me with the try again? Okay, good. Why doesn't it? Usually it summarizes the problem. I noticed that there's missing import. I don't think that's correct, dude. I do not think that's correct. Let me see. Well, what are the previous how? Don't go to anything yet. I want the quality. Da, 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 da. Don't go to anything. All right. Let me cancel this. Let me remove any changes that I have. And then hopefully this just works. Cause whenever I push stuff, I try and make sure that whatever I'm pushing is buildable and works. So fuck yes. Alright, it's just downloading on my phone. Cool. That's, if you guys are gonna use this editor, the way I've been using it right now is pretty like dumb and basic. I'm sure there's like other complex workflows, but whatever state your app is in, make sure that whenever you push it, it always compiles, it always works, and it always is in a working state. Because if not, then you're gonna have to run into these issues like I am, and you leave your project in a failed state, you come back, you don't remember like what's going on. Bam. All right, so let's load the tiny model. Let's do this song, sure. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh, kinda, yeah. Alright, let me go back to Xcode so we can view the transcription. Okay, now I remember. I think I left off not being able to I think I left off dealing and processing with .wav files or WAV files, or them wavy files, you know what I mean. All right, sick. Well, it works. I mean, it was able to transcribe the song of Bravo the Bag Chaser and Peso. Gimme that. Yeah, I mean, it transcribed it. Then you can also see it on Xcode too here. That's cool. Whether it's accurate or not, I mean, it's kind of accurate. For like a song, it's pretty accurate. Okay. So now inspect the code base for the part that deals with audio processing, specifically converting non.wav files into .wav files, and what happens if I already give it a file in the .wav format, but just without, and the in the .wav format, but not with the 16 kilohertz mono audio that Whisper expects. Don't code anything. I just want you to explain to me what happens in this scenario. Okay. So commits long audio files transcribed properly. Oh, is it gonna error out? Please don't error out. Please don't error out. It's probably going to error out. I fucking hate this, dude. Honestly, I might just end up turning off my VPN as much as I don't want to. Just so I can fucking get responses faster, man. Cause look at this. This is, why am I waiting this long for a response? Dude, why? Then watch. I'm gonna turn this off, right? Okay, let's relaunch one more time. Or maybe it's just taking forever to process because it's actually inspecting the code base, and maybe this part is taking forever. I don't know. I'll let it run. I gotta be patient. Come on. There we go. Let me search through the code base to find the audio processing logic. Based on codebase analysis, here's what happens with audio. For any input file, the app first validates if the file is readable and is supported format using AV asset. Okay, so let's go to whisper state.swift and let's go to line 298. Shit. Oh, that's fucking whack. Okay, let me add can I add a shortcut to this? Where's the settings? Extensions. No. Cursor, settings, profiles. Keyboard shortcuts. Fuck. Well. Whatever. I was gonna add a shortcut, Control G to this, so I can jump directly into any line in the code, because that's what it is in VS Code. But I can't. I guess there's no There's no fast, simple way to add that without me having to look it up. Whatever. I'll do that later. Okay, so this says 298, 302. 298 to 302. So we define some variable called AV asset and we give it some URL. I'm assuming that's the path of where the thing we're wanting to transcribe is, and then we load it as playable. I don't understand this syntax. Is this a hidden is this a property of some variable, or what the fuck is this? I don't understand this. Can you explain this Swift line for me? Oh, fuck. Fuck. This. Come on. Okay. Guard statement is true before proceeding further. If the condition is false, wait, what condition? This is a condition? This is a Boolean then? A guard statement is used to ensure a condition is true before proceeding further into the code. If the condition is false, the code inside the else block is executed and the function or scope typically exits using return, throw. Okay, so this is a closure then? Or I don't know. I'm just talking out of my ass. Never mind. Indicates that the operation might throw an error. This is used to indicate as an asynchronous operation. The code will pause execution here until the async operation completes, then continue once the result is available. Okay, so then this is a Boolean condition that checks whether it's playable or not, but I'm not understanding this syntax. Evaluates to false or the operation fails. Appends an error message to a log. What does this syntax mean? Is shorthand syntax commonly used to a property, method, or case of an enum? If audio asset is an instance of a class, struct, or protocol, is playable as a property, computed property. No, but it's not this. Wait. Oh, then I guess it is this. What the fuck? It's not an enum. That's not an enum. Audio asset. In frameworks like AV Foundation, .is playable is commonly a property or key that provides metadata about whether an asset can be played. And the line is likely a of an enum being passed as an what the fuck, bro? So this is an enum? I don't think it is. I don't know. Whatever. So regardless of whether you provide the WAV file or not, the app ensures the audio meets Whisper's requirements through the conversion process. This means you don't need to pre-process your WAV files to match Whisper specs. The app will handle the conversion automatically. Okay, let's test that. It's already loaded on my phone. I'm pretty sure last time we tried that, it didn't work. Let's see. DuckDuckGo, downloads. Let's do. Can we do this? Okay, it transcribed that WAV file. So, what about this? Our file is not a supported audio format. Okay, maybe there's something wrong with the way I... Well, no. Okay, so... because I might be trying to solve a non-error here. So the problem is, whenever I feed it... Here, let me clear these logs. Whenever I feed it a file called MIT Savings Lecture-WAV.WAV, meaning, so the file is a WAV file, it's a MIT lecture, but it's giving me an error for some fucking reason. I don't know why. Why, dude? Let me... Let's see. What can we do here? I need a proper WAV file that I can download on my phone. Where can I get WAV files from? Where can I get sample.wav files from? Free sound. This is perfect. Come on, go. See, I just gotta find something. Offers free audio samples, loops. No, but I need... I need people to talk. Crown of straw.
Prologue of a crap or spoke to each other in low whispers from time to time.
Okay, how can I download? Whole book. Sure. I don't have my VPN on. Whatever. I'll just download this, turn it back on, and then get cursor to work with the VPN. No mames, bro. What the fuck? Come on. Let's do another one. Supersticiones y leyendas mayas. Huh. I don't know why the other one didn't work. That's so stupid. Actually, I shouldn't be downloading this on my phone. I don't think I can unzip zip files on my iPhone, can I? Fuck. No, but I can fucking airdrop from my PC or from my Mac to my iPhone. So that works. I just need to download the book. Wait, I already have some left. Wait, what? Wait, what? All right. Let's turn on AirDrop. Okay, and then downloads, JSC, Sean. Move, share. AirDrop. Alan's iPhone. Sean and JSC. Okay. Select, boom, boom. Then we move these to Alright, I have the files on my phone now. Select an audio, let's do Gene. Okay, so what the fuck? So that worked. That worked. Yeah, so all of this works. Now the question is, what format are these in? Oh, mono 16 kilohertz. That's why it works. Other. No, sorry, not other. Mono 16 kilohertz. And then these are all fucking MP3s, bro. Alright. I think I can do this. How to properly use FFmpeg to convert audio to .wav from an MP3. Copy this. Let me close this. Let me turn on my VPN. I don't know why I removed it in the first place. Well, no, I know why, but I shouldn't. Okay, and then
Section 1 of Love of Them 3 for large and soft.
okay. Now, get info. Mono 22 kilohertz. Okay. Okay, so this should not work. Why are you complaining? Connection, that's fine. Alright, now let's share. AirDrop. This is gonna take forever to airdrop. Let's do this one. The Story of Quiche. Which is number 4. Okay. Can I cancel that. This should be faster to airdrop, and then it's at 22 kilohertz. Perfect. So let's airdrop this one. Airdrop that one. Oh, that's much faster. Sick.
Section 4 of Love of
Okay.
Life.
And I'm able to play it. Cool. Sick. So let me copy. Actually, let me move this into on my iPhone. DuckDuckGo. This move. All right. Now let's select. Well, hold on. All right. Now we cleared the logs. There's no text there. Now let's choose the file we just got. Okay, it's transcribing it. It's gonna take a minute to transcribe it because it's a 20-minute file, but it shouldn't take too long. I think for like an hour-long lecture, it took like 10 minutes maybe. Actually, not even 10 minutes, probably like more like 5. It didn't take too long. All right, so it transcribed it in pretty quickly actually, for 20 minutes of length. Look at that. That's pretty fucking fast, man. Fuck yeah. All right, so let's continue building this then. Okay, so yesterday we were trying to solve a non-issue. Long transcriptions work, WAV files work, files, just it all works. So now we just worry about okay, so we still have to implement the summary portion, and we have to update and make the UI better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But the summary portion is gonna kind of suck. Or it's not gonna suck. It's just gonna be a pain. Okay, so while transcribing, I want to see output while it's being transcribed on my iPhone, so that I know, hey, the app is doing stuff and transcribing. I see that we can modify real-time transcription output. Currently, the app only shows the final transcription after processing is complete. Let me modify. I wonder what the difference is between the two. Okay, so I don't think it changed too much in the code. I'm sure we can build it. Oh, and it fucking fails. Great. I was gonna say, oh, I'm sure we can build it and, you know, it won't fail, but let me try again. Yeah, it still fails. Let me ask it. What are the pros and cons to either transcriptions? To either ways of transcribing. No. This thing thinks that there's two ways to transcribe it in here, but no. Oh no, wait. No, it did its thing. I'm wrong. My bad. Original approach. Simpler implementation, less overhead in terms of UI updates. Immediate feedback to user. Okay. Real-time this buffer delay between UI updates. Also, when I try to build my project, I get a build failure. Please debug and build the project with @build.sh. Ignore any warnings. Use the sh build.sh command to build the project. Do not make any changes to the build.sh file. Fuck. Okay, now you build is watch it successfully compile. All right. I see there are a couple of issues in the build, type mismatch. Okay. I don't understand, but okay. Alright. Build fail. Huh? No. Check the It built successfully because of this fucking thing. Okay, let's make a quick edit to... That's why, okay. That's why it was lying to me before, because when it builds, yeah, sure, it'll do this, but then it'll see this, because this gets echoed out any, like, regardless of whether it fucking passes or fails. So as soon as it sees this, it's like, oh, well, it completed. Cool. Let's make a quick edit to the build dot sh script to only print out line 27 if it actually built successfully, and if not, output the opposite of success message, i.e. a failure message. Okay, I'm expecting like an if-else statement. If it builds successfully, then we do this. If not, then no. Echo verbose. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. If... Okay, I mean, let's see. It should print this out, right? I see the error. The build failed with the error. The issue is with the... Okay, so I like this. Let me copy this. Version 0.5.1. Updated the build script. Updated the build script, sure. Let's just go with that. Something generic, cool. Cool, it succeeded. All right. Now let's test out these changes, man. Hey man, say man. This shit right here, man. This shit right here, man. Okay, succeeded, yes sir. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Cool, it launched. Black screen, but that's fine. I should ask it about the black screen. Okay, so let me select an audio file. Let's go with JFK. All right, and now let's give it a longer file. Let's go with this one. Converting. You see, like, it prints it out here, but then here is, all I see is like converting this, and then it's like stuck. Long audio file detected, processing in chunks. Transcribing. For more information to volunteer, please visit LibreVox. What the fuck? Recording by Ayayi. What the fuck? I don't know if you can see that. Here, where the fuck am I? It says for more information, something For more information or to volunteer, please visit this website. Like, what? It didn't even transcribe what I wanted to. And then this failed. Okay, so I still don't see the transcription fully update in chunks. Actual audio transcription being outputted to my iPhone for long files. As a matter of fact, once it finishes transcribing a long file that requires chunking, I am greeted with the following message upon completion of the transcription. Alright, now fuck. Transcribing ... For more information or to volunteer, please visit. It must be somewhere within the code, right? Not now. Oh god, I don't think it's gonna build. Yeah, I accidentally did something. Fuck. What about now? Okay, so that's what I did. Alright. Transcribing for more information or to volunteer, please visit liprevox.org. Recording by Lahi in November. Wait, is that the last it's either the last or the first part of this. Yeah, it's the first part. That's so odd. It must be only printing out like just one chunk. I understand the issue. The transcription output for long files that require chunking isn't being properly concatenated and displayed. Well, yeah, that's what I just described to you. I see the issue when processing long files in chunks were not properly concatenating the transcription results from each chunk. Okay, so hopefully this should fix it. let me move this. Sorry, I'm doing something off screen. Just see here. It's fun. All right. Added this. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully it builds. In the meantime, let me stop this. Fuck yes. Come on. Initialization of variable all transcriptions was never used. I think when this thing generates code, it's not it just keeps on generating code, but it doesn't really ever clean up the code base. All right, let's do a long one. Birding audio. Then I think each chunk should either be 10 minutes or 15. So I want the transcription to be... Did it finish? It finished. I want the transcription to... I want whatever you're transcribing to be visible to the user as it's being transcribed. I want it visible on currently it's not. I think that's a better prompt because right now it's transcribing and then it gave me like the name of the thing it transcribed, but it's not, it didn't actually give me the transcription itself. Let's see if it builds. Let's build.sh. Ignore any warnings and debug any errors till you get a successful compilation. Do not change. Oh, did it change the models too? No, the models are still here. At least on this version. I don't know if this guy just took them out right now. Okay, it built successfully. Oh god, what the fuck did it do? It completely changed the UI. Look, I don't. Let's see. Let's see if it even fucking works, right? Let's try that one. I kind of like this UI better. I'm not gonna lie, because it's simpler. But it's still not transcribing shit, bruh. Yeah, I don't like this. Well, fuck. Okay, let me wait and see what the fuck this thing outputs. So, okay, well the whole transcription is there, right? That's no problem. That's cool. The problem is that it doesn't transcribe it in real time. So that's fine. I don't think I'm gonna worry about that as long as I get like cool loading bars that tell the user like, hey, let's just discard all of these changes. And then, okay, so let's make the user experience of this app better. Can you provide any suggestions? It shouldn't code anything. Hopefully. Based on our work so far, the app's current state, I can suggest several UX improvements. Here are my recommendations. In order of impact, progress feedback. Add a progress bar showing both chunk processing and overall file process progress. Yes, yes. This is essentially what I want. Uh, yes. These are great suggestions. Let's start with the first one. I gotta save all of these. All right, let's see. Okay, so I think I think this is the part where I have to actually sit down and build a proper UI for this. Or I can just prompt it to try and build a UI. And I think I'm going to do the latter. Hopefully it compiles. It'll compile. Fuck yeah. Come on. Okay. Alright. Can we transcribe a sample? Wow, that's fast. Okay. Let's go this. Okay. Let's do a longer one. Heading. Okay, so it transcribes it, but it never updates. Here, let me show you guys. So it transcribes it, but like, I don't ever see, like, I don't ever see what it talks about. Like all the fucking, all of this stuff. I see. Let's improve the progress feedback by adding more detailed progress view, showing estimated time, adding word count, making progress bar more visually appealing. Okay, in the meantime, kill this. Another thing I should do is, so when I currently launch the app, here, I'll show you. Oh, well, no. Okay, that's weird. When I first very initially launch the app, it takes like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. But I just have like a black screen. After that, those initial couple seconds, it then shows the app. I have to add a like intermediary like view between that so the user isn't just like, so the user is doesn't just launch my app and is like, what the fuck, why is it just black, right? Now let's see if this builds. Cool, it built. By the way, I talked about this yesterday, but my phone isn't plugged in, right? When I compile this Xcode project, it immediately goes to my phone. Like, it compiles it and then it sends this app to my phone and it downloads it. How fucking cool is that? Let's do this. It's not transcribing. Or sorry, not the transcription. The progress stuff. It's not it's not working. It's the same. I'm running into the same error as before where I was trying to tell it like, hey, all of this stuff that like you're outputting to the console, output it to my iPhone, but it's like not updating for some fucking reason. So okay. Okay, so is it possible for you to, what if I give it a downloads? I want to give it a longer file. This one. Okay, well, I see the changes it was talking about, but the changes are, they only happen with large files, so this progress feedback and character token summary only happens when the file is being chunked do this for all files. I think I should understand what I mean with that. So I like what it did actually. If it's a long file, it tells you how many tokens it's gonna use. Fuck. But the problem is this only happens with really long files, because really long files are the only files that get chunked, and this logic only applies to the files that get chunked. So now I'm telling it, hey, apply that logic to just everything. Boom. That's cool, man. It took like, what, maybe fucking 3 minutes to transcribe this like MIT lecture. And this MIT lecture is like, it's long as fuck, dude. I'm still like, it's like an hour and 30 minutes. Consistent progress feedback, enhanced status information, better performance metrics, clear stage transitions. All right, let's build it, see if it works. Hopefully it does. Meantime, close that. Yeah, it's gonna build. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. All right, transcribe sample. Oh, this is sick. Okay, so now it actually gives me a fucking time. I don't know if you can see. Let me hide my face. Come on, I'll focus. It says process 22 words in 0.2 seconds. Select audio. All right, let's do this MP3 lecture. Ooh, look at that. That's fucking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, shit, man. All right, let's clear these logs so that way whatever it outputs, it's like nice and fresh. And then, whoops. Okay, so now 18. I wonder how long this takes. My guess is like 2 to 3 minutes. That's the final time on this. Come on. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Come on, keep going. Come on. Fuck yeah. Alright, so transcription completed. Let's see. My guess is 3 minutes. 109 seconds. 88.9 words per second. it's not. Oh, there it is. Process 9,755 words in 109 seconds. So that's 2 minutes, dude. 2 minutes for what the fuck did I transcribe? For a lecture on savings? What the fuck? That's how long was it? It was. Oh, here, let me show you. It was. A minute or an hour and 15 seconds. Like, how crazy is that? And this is pretty accurate too. Like, following content is provided under da 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 da. Dude, this is so cool. All right, I'm gonna stop here. Let me summarize what we did today. So, the real work that got done was that we updated the build script so that it doesn't give us false positives, right? This bullshit, because it would error out early and say, "Hey, I built it successfully," but no, bitch, you didn't, fucking liar. And then the other thing we did is added better progress feedback, and we actually added pretty good stats. So it says it processed 9,755 words in 109 seconds. I'm happy with that, man. So now I guess we can keep improving the UI, but I mean, that's only going to get us so far. I think the next, well, I said this yesterday, right? Or in the last video, the next big thing is to implement the summarization. And I think there's two ways to go about it. We can do natural language processing, which just we read in the English text, tokenize it, use those tokens to then gather, like we can run it through some algorithm to be able to summarize it that way without using AI. That's the first approach, which I think won't be too bad if I decide to go that way, because I'm not like integrating AI, right? So I don't have to worry about performance. I don't have to worry about it running on the device, whatever. It's just text, tokens, and algorithms, natural language processing. That's option one. Option two is using AI. And that's the approach I want to do. Now I just have to do some more research on the appropriate model to use and how I'm going to achieve that. But that's for next time. So, yeah. Peace.